Hello everyone! This is a project I've been wanting to work on for a while now, and I'm very happy with the result. I hope you enjoy it and have a good laugh.
Railfans, we love the Norfolk Southern F units. Norfolk Southern, ye was selling them. Railfans, you what? I have 7 heritage units. We have 20. When a heritage unit shows up, Railfans, my time has come. Camera blocking Railfans, my time has come. Me, swords on rail, the locomotive engineers. That moment when your camera dies while you're railfanning. Thanos snap. That's the real story of the GG1 half. Railfan 1. I captured a heritage unit today. Railfan 2. That's awesome. May I please see the video? Railfan 1. Video? Only true Railfans remember them. Me. It's Subway. Everyone at the metro station. What certain groups think when they hear crocodile. What people normally think. What Railfans think. Rookie Railfan. I'm so excited to do my first Railfan. Seasoned Railfan. Did you bring your camera? Rookie Railfan. The what? Who would win at hide and seek? A super stealthy and fast ninja wearing dark clothes. Or one heritage boy.
I really appreciate that you watched the entire video. Please feel free to give me, in a family-friendly way, your thoughts about this video, suggestions, and of course trains. Have a great day and take care.